Recommended by doctors, HairCubed is the only product that not only instantly thickens your hair, but lets you manage and style it however you like after creating that thick hair you desire for. Stop researching for painful transplants and expensive supplements and finally start enjoying the thick, beautiful, manageable hair you've been dreaming about. If you're a man or a woman suffering from hair loss and you're ready to take a stand, it's time you try HairCubed. So if you have thinning hair on the sides or the crown or the back of your hair, it will cover that immediately. And if you're a woman with highlights, don't worry. It can even be blended right into your natural highlights. We are guaranteed to give you the results you're looking for.
The best way to use HairCubed. First, shampoo your hair. Make sure your hair is completely dry and clean. Shake can well and apply HairCubed into your thinning area, about 2 to 5 inches away. Brush your hair, that's the secret. Brush, brush, brush with each and every stroke. Your hair will feel thicker and fuller, adding volume you've always wanted. So remember, apply HairCubed and right away brush your hair. And then, it's really recommended to use the HairCubed Sealer and Control. The Sealer and Control designed by HairCubed to create a new layer above the microfibers, locking the fiber, creating a much more natural look. The new generation of microfibers. Order now and regain your confidence in just 30 seconds.